Hello friends, welcome back to the new video friends. Today guys we are going to talk about guys sound and vibration setting in our Oppo phone. In this video guys I will show you guys how can you on guys your vibrate mode. Friends, you want to on guys your vibrate mode in your Oppo phone, so guys how can you on it? In this video guys I will show you guys how to on vibrate mode. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys, if you're new in my channel, so then first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon, like my video friends. First of all guys open your phone setting to guys on your vibrate mode, then guys scroll it. So you can see guys your sound and vibration settings, and tap here, and guys you can see guys this type of settings. So guys click on guys this sound mode, so guys tap here, and guys you can see your vibrate settings. So if you want to on vibrate mode, so as you can on your vibrate mode, and guys you can see vibrate mode icon on your screen. So as your phone will vibrate. So like that guys, thanks for watching the video guys. Now we will meet on next video guys with the topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching the video. Friends, you have any doubt related to voice sound and vibration setting guys, you can ask me in comment section.